Alright, you all have a piece of paper in front of you that looks like this. We've got numbers, then dots, and an arrow showing you which direction to go. So number 1 goes from left to right. You're going to take your needle, which we've already threaded and knotted, and just poke from the bottom through that dot right by number 1. You're going to gently pull through. It's paper, so if you pull too hard, your knot's going to come through. Wait till your knot gets there. And just to make it secure on the paper, we're going to take the tape that you've already been given and just tape that tail on there. Usually we would clip it. Today we're just going to tape it to make sure it stays in place while we work on the paper. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to go over the edge of the paper and come up through that second dot. So you notice that thread goes over the first dot behind the paper, then up through the paper again through the second dot. We're going to do that again. Now we're going under the paper again, and we're going to come up through the third dot. We're going to move on. Notice that I'm pinching the last stitch that we did with my thumb and my finger. That makes sure it stays tight and that it doesn't get tangled up, either on the front or on the back. If you look, I have straight stitches on both. So we're just going to keep going. Hold that stitch, go through the next dot, pull somewhat tightly, don't rip the paper, hold the stitch, poke through, hold the stitch, poke through. Okay, you're going to keep doing that so that you have stitches on both sides there until you get to the last dot by number 1, and then you're just going to wait there for the next part.